Okay, you can keep touching that. We have milk chocolate.
You got milk chocolate ones? Then they have white ones.
Really white. It's vanilla flavored too.
Hope he doesn't feed it to the dog. Mom, just let him play with it. You're so annoying. There.
He's going to fill the duck. He's good at it. He's Nana's little helper. Just feeds him all over the place.
Or feeds it to the dog.
I don't think Nina would eat it.
What, I bet?
I think she'd spit it back out. It does not taste good. I see you to taste it.
I did.
Oh no, finger.
The scissors stuck. You have some help? Here.
Mom, let him do it.
Say Nana fail.
Oh, that piece kind of looks like a heart.
Cute. Heart cute. Need more now.